You need the white glove test. Wait. Go get the white gloves real quick. I'm serious. Get those white gloves down there. Get the white gloves down there. Put them on. See how good you did. You'll be surprised. Don't get them too dirty. That one's inside out. It don't matter though. Those gloves are made in China. They came over with Dad's amp.
I wonder.
Alright, now get up there and do the white glove test. Squeeze it hard. How's it look? Okay, do them all to see how they came out. You don't have to do the little holes, just to see if the blades are clean.
Oh, man.
It still looks a little dirty to me up there. Let me see your hand. No, it's not too bad. Alright, anybody need a fan cleaner, just hire Ian. It's really cheap. Let me see those gloves. Let me see that glove. No, it's not too bad. Yay!